Hey students, today we will discuss about reproduction in organism. Before that, we have to know that there are a zillion of galaxies present in our universe and the life form only exists in the earth. But according to the modern science fiction, there may be other life form present outside of our planet or any other planet. Now coming back to our topic, we know each and every organism can live only for a certain period of time. The period from the birth to the natural death of an organism represents its lifespan. No individual is immortal except single-cell organism like amoeba. Why do we say that? Or why do we say that single-cell organisms like amoeba are mortal? Because of their mode of reproduction. We will discuss it later. Now, what is reproduction and what is the importance of reproduction? The reproduction is defined as a biological process in which an organism gives rise to the young ones or offspring similar to itself. The offspring grow, mature and produce new offspring. Thus, there is a cycle of birth, growth and death. Now the importance of reproduction. Reproduction enables the continuity of species generation after generation. There is a large diversity in the biological world and each organism has evolved its own mechanism to multiply and produce offspring. The organism's habitat, its internal physiology and several other factors are collectively responsible for how it reproduces. Based on whether there is participation of one organism or two in the process of reproduction. It is of two types. One is asexual, another is sexual reproduction. When offspring is produced by a single parent with or without the involvement of gamete formation, the reproduction is known as asexual reproduction. When two parents of opposite sex participate in the reproduction process and also involve fusion of male and female gametes is known as sexual reproduction. In my next video, I will discuss about asexual reproduction.